Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok text post feature 2026. In 2026, TikTok's text post feature is a major tool for engagement, with the platform heavily pushing this post for the For You feed. Text post function similarly to Instagram stories but can be shared as a permanent feed post with a 1,000-character limit. Now, to create a text post, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this plus icon. From here, you should be able to find this option called text on your top interface. Now, once you tap on it, from here you should be able to find this option. Go ahead and tap on this try now. Go ahead and tap on this text option. Now type in anything that you want. Now tap on this next button, and as you can see, the text post has been created. Now I can also select any style that I want. Now I'll be selecting this notebook style because I find it much more appealing in my choice. I can also select music by tapping on this music option. From here, you will be able to find this search button over here as well, from where you can search for your selective music. Once you select it, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this next button, and as you can see, you can write a caption for your post as well, and also tag someone by tapping on this mention button. Once you're done with all the editing part, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this post, and the video will be posted, and the text post will be posted on your feed. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.